Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
How to deactivate Facebook account temporarily. So this works on your iPhone and Android devices. So deactivating means you're simply disabling your account and you can re-access your account anytime you want. So now let's head into the process. So the first thing you need to do is you have to launch Facebook. So once you're here, simply go ahead and click in this three lines in the upper right corner. So you'll be taken in here and you will see a menu and simply scroll down and go straight into settings and privacy. Then click settings. So you'll see this section around here, and from here you will find this account. Under account is personal information. You click this and then click managed account, and then you will see that you can deactivate your account. So click on deactivate. So in here, for security, please re-enter your password to continue, and you must re-enter your password and then click continue. So after that, it will show you a prompt of are you really sure of deactivating your account, and then you just have to click continue and then your account will be deactivated. So in case you'd want to reactivate your account, so just simply log back in as normal and you'll be back and running. So that's pretty much everything. I hope you enjoy this video.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.